Hi, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
What's happening?
Ma'am, everything is happening here. You can see around so much is happening right now, and we are teachers are here, there are students here, parents here.
Oh.
So, ma'am, let them show them one inside peek.
Yeah,
Right?
sure.
Ma'am, you come.
So, students, there's everyone here.
Everyone here.
So, I'm going to show you all the teachers, okay? So, yes,
Let's
stay
go
tuned.
inside.
And I want all of you to quickly smash the like button as well because this is going to be so exciting. It feels like I'm walking on a red carpet and, you know.
We are on the red carpet.
Yeah, we are on the red carpet. So, we have,
Here we have our teachers also.
yes, we have our Maharashtra team. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, you guys are live. Okay.
YouTube.
Okay, so we will show you other teachers as well. We are walking into the event.
So this is how the event, ma'am. Just show them the outer look, how it looks.
So more surprises to come, but yes,
Some
I will
from the
just.
inside.
Yes, we feel like vloggers, and yes, we are vlogging.
Today.
So we have the Tamil team.
Here.
So
Let us interrupt them. Let us interrupt
yeah.
them.
What are you guys talking? What are you guys talking? So this is our Tamil
level
team.
energy, where level celebration.
Oh,
Actually, today is amazing because we are watching the parents here and over அப்பா அம்மா முகத்திலே அவ்வளவு பெருமை. They are so proud of their children, which is amazing to see.
Super excited, lot of energy. All the students and parents have come. It's a great day. for
so
all of us.
yes, tell all the Tamil students to quickly smash the like button and also.
எல்லா தமிழ் பசங்களுமே லைக் பட்டனை அடிச்சிருங்கடா.
நொறுக்கி தள்ளிடுங்க.
Yes. So yes, that was our Tamil team
Tamil
for
team.
all of you. We will try to find as many people as possible for all of you. So it's nice to see the entire Vedantu team together. I think we have Vikasa here. So Vikasa, you're live. Tell hi to our students.
Hi, students.
So
How are you doing?
how's the energy here?
You can listen to it.
You can't hear anything, but the energy is. So please join us. So students, we have a lot of our, teachers who have made beautiful results for our students. So sir,
I hope the students know about Surendra. He is the same guy who taught Daksh, and then Daksh scored a 120 out of 120 in JEE Advanced in mathematics. Yeah.
sir, we need to lend the brain. Like our NEET students will be asking. Okay, so students, we will try to make you meet more, more teachers. I think.
So we'll just meet someone else here. As we can see here, we have. So as we hear, Sahil sir, just say hi to everyone. Hey, hi kids. Hello sir.
Hey, hi everyone.
So, hi. Yes sir.
Hey guys, this is Sridhar. I head the offline academics across India.
Complete Vedantu offline academy. Sahil sir, you also. No sir, it has to be there. It has to be there.
This is the reason for all your videos and every content out there.
This is the reason. Enjoy everyone. So here we have more teachers.
Show the stage also.
Can you just flip this
Yes. No, we'll do this, sir, because we are vloggers.
So here, this is the stage right now. Here the entire event is going to happen. Parents are coming in, students are coming in, toppers, all of them right now.
Yes, I hope we are audible to all of you. We will try
There's
to
so
make,
much of cluster here.
meet a lot of teachers.
Yeah.
Yes,
Students, 5:30, everything's going to be live. We have a lot of surprises. Exactly 5:30, ma'am.
Yes, 5:30 sharp. I want to see you all live because
Exactly.
you're going to see the entire Vedantu team together. And yes, there's going to be so
I
much
think
fun.
we can find more teachers somewhere
Yes,
lurking
I think
around.
so. We'll go outside. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, he's
Something, some
suspense.
threat. So as we can see, we are here
I
outside
think
now.
since we can see a lot of parents. You see, their shooting is happening.
Huh.
Sir,
Very
just
stressed, sir,
turn and
all of
show.
them.
The shooting is happening there.
So we can see everywhere the parents are there. A lot of parents are walking around. A lot of students are already here.
See there,
Right?
you can see Shreyas sir shooting. We'll just
Yeah,
go
we'll
near
just
them.
go interrupt Shreyas sir. Come. We'll just see what is sir doing.
Exactly, I think. Guys, I hope all of you are going to be live at 5:30.
5:30 exactly. Gopika ma'am and I will have a lot of surprises.
It's going to be a lot of celebration. You're going to get to see the other side of teachers that you haven't. And
Exactly.
yes, we are going to bring it out for all of you, risking our lives. So I
Yeah,
want all of you
exactly.
to be there.
I don't know if they're gonna accept.
Yes.
Many of them don't. Okay, so they do like to know about these Olympiads and they are targeting for next year. So when you
I don't think I can zoom. Okay. So student, that's your Shreyas sir talking with a lot of toppers there.
Yes, we will also show you a little bit of the event. Okay, the venue is beautiful and I want all of you to be here next year, students. Please be here with all of us. So yes, I hope all the JEE students and the NEET students and the Olympiad students, 9th and 10th, whichever class you are, and we are all over. So if you're part of Vedantu, next year we want you to be here.
We want all of you to be here with us next year. So students, if you want to
Yes.
be here, drop a like. Let us know in the comment section if you want to be there exactly at 6 p.m. and 5:30 actually. 5:30 is going to be starting.
So we have, come here.
Come here.
So we have, okay, this is our, this is live.
So,
So yes, we have a lot of people involved. So I think students, so see you all 5:30 live, okay? And we will be sharp live on the channel at 5:30 on every Vedantu channel, and I want all of you to be there, okay? Yes. Thank you so much, students.
Bye bye.